Okay, we're about to have some more fun with search engine optimization. Now, this is really a complex art, and the great thing is that you don't have to know it because the system is designed to automate your search engine optimization for you, so you don't have to learn about meta tags and you don't have to learn about alt tags and namings and links and how many things are supposed to be in titles and all that kind of stuff. So we've had tremendous success with this system already. And just to give you an idea, just in February of 13, we had every major search engine sending us traffic. So our members were getting traffic from Google and Yahoo and Bing and Windows Live and AOL and Dogpile and all of those. In addition to that, we received traffic. Our members received traffic on a total of 347 different key phrases during the month of February. In addition to that, we received traffic on 426 different words in February from those search engines. So this does work. It's pretty simple and it's kind of fun. So let's get to work here. When we first look at here, you're set up typically with the generic setup. I already have mine done, so it says mine already optimized. So we're going to skip over that because you don't want to duplicate what I did here. Don't make that mistake and duplicate exactly what I did, because we want everybody to be unique so that you're getting your share of the traffic. Otherwise, you would be competing with each other. There's so many keyword phrases out there. We want to cover them all, and we want to get all that traffic. So by having different, everybody doing it themselves and being unique, you're going to be empowered. If you copy what everybody else is doing, then you're going to just be right there in the mix of them rather than getting your own. Make sense? So let's do it. So the first thing that we're going to do is come down here, and we're going to realize that there's some blocks that we need to pay attention to. So what we're going to do, hold on here just a second. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to decide what key phrases you'd like to target. Okay, and we're just going to make up some things here. So what are some things that people would search for when they go to a search engine? If you were going to a search engine like Yahoo or Google or Bing or wherever your favorite search engine is, what's going to be a 2 or 3 keyword phrase that you're going to type in to find a product like we carry? And type that in. And let me just make something up here. Let's say we go, we're looking for somebody that wants to tighten skin. And by the way, try to make these related. So you're kind of in your niche, if you will. So like I'm looking at tighten skin fast. I might say skin tightening wrap. That's good. And then another good keyword phrase might be, I'm just making these up on the fly. So you do the same thing. Don't be copying me. I know it's kind of hard because you're listening to me do my thought process. But by you watching me do it, hopefully you're going to be able to make it your own and be unique in what you create and get your traffic increased. So let's see. This is all free traffic that we're after here. But what would someone type in? Let's say if they're looking to tighten their skin. Let's say, how about skin tightening how about this? After let's get rid of after. We just say weight loss skin tightening, because people, after there's, you could even do one of these, like, let's say, yeah. So I've got 3 different ones here. This one looks a little long, but that's okay. And I've got some good keywords in there. There are different phrases, but they'll look like they'll integrate. And so the reason why that's important, that they're similar and they'll integrate, is because I want to now write my title using all of these words, and if I can keep them in the same order, even better. But remember, the title needs to make sense, because people are going to see it, and you want it to be interesting, exciting, and basically tell them, hey, this has got what you want. So let's see what I can come up with here. We've got tighten skin, fast skin tightening wrap, weight loss skin tightening. Okay, so I'm gonna say and you can capitalize here. Ideally, it's a title. Tightening. Skin tightening. Skin tightening, and then I'm going to put a little dash, and I say tighten skin fast. So that was my top one there. Tighten skin fast. And tightening. I'm going to say after weight loss. So here's the question. Do I have all my words? Do I have tighten? I do. Skin? Yes. Fast? Yes. I don't even have that first phrase. Skin tightening wrap. Skin. See, I spelled it 2 different ways there. Which brings us into another thing. By misspellings give you can give you a lot of traffic as well. Because as you can see, me even, I'm misspelling. Supposed to be there. Okay, so what I did was I just basically copied and pasted all my key phrases and stuck them in Word, and then checked the spelling. So that's just an easy way, is my Skippy thing. So basically we got tighten skin fast, and we've got tighten skin fast, skin tightening wrap, is tighten skin fast after weight loss. That word in there. Wrap. Okay, so then we got skin tightening wrap. Weight loss. Skin tightening. Okay, so it looks like I now have all my keywords, and there we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, I'm missing something. Oh, because I've got tighten twice. And I'm going to turn this into a plural, because I like tightening better. So now I've got my title. So that's the new title of my site. Skin tightening dash, tighten skin fast after weight loss wrap. So you can do whatever you want. But whatever you do, make sure that you try to get all the keywords in from your keyword phrases. And if you can make them, again, in the same order as in your phrase, even better. Then go through and capitalize each one because it's a title. Okay, so now we're down to the description. Now in the description, we want to again continue to use our keyword phrases that we picked, and we want to write something that includes them all in the order that they're in. So no more than 3 sentences, but I really like to stay within 2. And so what I normally do is I'll pick up my phrases, I'll just copy them again, I'll put them right down in here like this, because I'm lazy that way. And so now I just start writing my sentence. I say, tighten skin fast. So you can tighten skin fast with skin tightening wrap with this skin tightening wrap. After weight loss, skin tightening is now easy. Okay? So there we go. So that's what we got. So now what we're going to do is we're going to simply say, okay, this is keyword phrase, boom, copy. We're going to come down here, and it's going to say keyword phrase 1. We're going to paste it in there. And in these keyword phrases, make sure that they are all lowercase, no caps in those. No caps in the phrases. Okay. And the reason why I cut and paste really is because it just reduces error. Even though you don't want to think that you'd make an error, but a typo, especially when unnoticed, can cost you. So especially when we're talking about things like this, because we're going to have computers looking at this data to figure out where to rank you. So now I copy the title, I come down here, and I go and paste. I've got the title. Okay. And then I come up here and I've got the description. Copy. Oh, and by the way, no return carriages in the description. If you have, like here, what do I have? I have tighten skin fast tightening wrap. Boom. Okay, I didn't hit return. There's no return here. This is going to be one straight line of text. So there we go. And I don't really want to save it because I like what I got right now, and I'm already optimized out there for it. So I'm not going to save this. So, but I guarantee you somebody out there is going to copy exactly what I just did, and they're going to be out there on the skin tightening wrap thing. But there'll probably be more than one of you, and when you do, realize you're going to be competing with each other. So ideally, sit here and do the work. It's not that hard. It's easy. It's kind of fun. And the more you do it, the better you get. And you can continue to change this anytime you want, because you know what happens when you press submit, and this is why I don't want to press it. It immediately rewrites your entire site to optimize it for those phrases. And now I like where I am. I've got my phrases where I want and all that kind of stuff. And this may be even better than what I've got. But I don't want to just write over what I've got right now. So there you go. That's search engine optimization. As soon as you press that button, you're good to go. And then you will see that your site looks a little different.